Hello friends. For today's session, we are going to discuss how to add a new element in a single linked list at the beginning. So we already discussed how to create a single linked list and how to traverse a single linked list. If you have not watched that video, just go through that video before starting with this video. So when you want to add a new element at the start of the linked list, what was our first task? Definitely, when you want to add a new element, that means we want to create a new node, I need to allocate some memory for that node. So I have just allocated 1000 memory address for this new node with the help of this malloc function. To read the data for the new node, so I have written the data 10 for the new node. Now, I want to assign this 10 value as a part of this node. So I have given a statement new node data equal to number. That means 10 is assigned to this new node. As well as I need to set its next to the null. So for that statement is given new node next is equal to null. Now this all step will create a node and that node name is new node. After that, I want to check whether my list is empty or linked list is already holding some data. So first I will check whether my linked list is empty. If my linked list is empty, that means my start equal to null. In that case, whatever the new node we are trying to add, that become a new start of my linked list. So for that, I need to give a statement start equal to new node. So this new node become a start of my linked list, as well as this node itself become a last node for my linked list. So I will mention it as a new last for my linked list. So this is a first case in which you are trying to add a new node at the beginning and your linked list is empty. Now case 2 is your linked list is not empty and you want to add a new node at the start of your linked list. So just assume that this is your already existing data in your linked list. That means 10 data is already present in your linked list. So in that case, how this code will work? So again, I will allocate the memory for new node. So I will allocate a memory for new node and this is my new node. So now for this new node, I will read the data. Suppose I read the data 20 for this node and I have hold that 20 data into my new node. As well as I will set its next to the null. So my new node is now created. Now I want to add this new node to my existing linked list. So I will first check my existing linked list is empty or not. So my linked list is not empty. So in that case, your if part will not be executed. And we will go to the next part, that is nothing but the else part. So your linked list is already holding the data and that linked list having its own starting point as well as having its own last. So when you want to add this new node at the beginning, we need to set a relation between this 20 and this 10. So in that case, I am identifying this 20 with the help of new node and identifying this 10 with the help of this start. So I can make a statement, my new node next is start. So for that, I have written a statement new node next equal to start. Now if my 20 become new start of my linked list, so I need to update my start value. So for that, start equal to new node, this statement is given. So now you can think this is my new start of my linked list. And this start will be vanish, but your last will remain same. So this is a way to insert the element at the beginning of a linked list. Now we will execute the code and we will check how this code will work. So I have run this code. So here I have all options available. Out of that we are going to check first three options. So first we will check if your linked list is empty and if you are trying to add at the beginning. That is nothing but the third option. So I will choose option third. It will ask for enter a number. So I will enter a number that is nothing but 11. After that it is asking for me whether you want to continue with the linked list operation. So I will choose yes, that is I will press 1, and after that I will get other options of my linked list operation. So I will choose option 2 and I will check my linked list structure. So my linked list is currently holding data that is nothing but 11. Now if I want to continue, I will press 1 and I will choose again option like 3 and I will check for the output. So I will add data 12. Again I will continue with the operation. I will choose option that is nothing but 2 and that 2 option is going to give us output like 12 and 11. So now you can think that 12 is added before 11. That means our linked list is performing insert at the beginning. Again I will execute the same code and I will show you if my linked list is already holding some data, and in that case how my code will work. So my linked list is already holding a data like 11, 12 and 13. And now I want to perform operation that is insert at the beginning, that is nothing but third. I will enter a number 14. After that I will choose to continue with the linked list operation and I will choose option for display. Now you will get the output 14, 11, 12 and 13. That means insert at the beginning is successful. Hope so you understand the concept of how to insert the element at the beginning in a single linked list. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel as well as share with your friends. Thank you.